Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Showing y'all a little update on where we are with our seedlings. And if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Hood Gardening. No. These are things that I found on Temu. Look at the babies. Don't get me to lying how many days it's been because I don't know. These are tomatoes. Some are definitely popping out slower than the others. But they coming. Look at my pride and joys. Look at my pride and joys. These were actually taken outside today. And we're going to put them in the dirt. Now, as y'all know, I don't never be planning my videos right. And I just kind of be willy-nilly doing it. This is my cat. She loves being on the damn microwave looking outside at the birds. Hey, guys. But yeah, y'all know I just be willy-nilly doing it. I'm trying to put these plants in the dirt right now because they're too big to be, I'm gonna put you right here. They're too big to be in this container any longer. And I really was not planning on doing this, but they got to go to their new home. Don't y'all be talking about my double chin now. You know, your sis been eating. And then her hormones and stuff got her being fat, but it's okay. Oh, there's a whole squirrel back here. Hi, Mr. Squirrel. How you doing? I ain't come back here to bother you. It was kind of moist. Whew. All right, y'all. See, I'm trying to put y'all in a place. I'm going to just have to put y'all in dirt with me. Look at all these little ant holes popping up. So this is the dirt, y'all, where I will be putting my cucumbers. I actually move y'all a little closer because I'm putting my cucumbers. Don't fall now, phone. I'm putting my cucumbers right in this spot. My phone's threatening to fall. So my dirt is definitely lopsided. All right. Y'all can see me. The squirrel's trying to escape. So my neighbor is moving. And she has a lot of gardening stuff that she's given me. And one big thing is she's giving me her soil. And I desperately needed soil. So these beautiful, beautiful plants, they're going to go right in between here. I got 6 of them. Oh, hold on. I got to get my little thing. I don't even know what to call this thing. But it's the tool that the plants vine up on. Y'all know I'm be so unorganized. I'll get it together one of these days. Thank you for loving me even though I'm a work in progress. This thing. We're going to make it work, y'all. We're going to make it work. Word. Everybody. Word. So because I got 6 plants, I'm going to divide it pretty evenly. 3 and 3. I'm going to add some soil. I need to go get my little... I'm going to learn the names of these damn tools that I'll be using. One of these days. I told y'all, I'm going to get it together. I really got a new gardening bag that has all of these shiny new tools in them. Oh, springtime sucks. But no, y'all know I'll be doing whatever the hell I want to do whenever the hell I want to do it. That's my damn problem. The grapes look pretty good. It's a nice day. Ooh, my skin be so sensitive, y'all. It's not too warm, not too cold. There's a random balloon in here. All right. And the wonderful sounds of nature. You gotta go over there, bro. Ooh, I almost hit the damn camera. I need to get my life together. And I don't have no aim. I gotta be careful while I'm throwing rocks. So we're gonna take some of this soil that our wonderful neighbor Cheryl gave us. I'm just gonna add it because this soil is nutrient enriched. So we want to give our cucumbers the best chance at life. It's supposed to rain the whole rest of the week, so that's also another reason why I'm trying to get my cucumbers in the dirt, because cucumbers require a lot of water, guys. They are water plants. Cucumbers, watermelon, they require a lot of water. I gotta get me a big, like, regular shovel. I hear all of the birds chirping and singing. Spring has sprung. Weather is really starting to be nice out here in New York. And that is definitely what we be looking for. Okay, y'all. I didn't get my little tool that came with this greenhouse, but I should be able to use one of these. Oh, I thought it was two in here. I should be able to use this tool. This, I'm just going to get some holes so that we can plant our cucumbers. All right, that's two. I need to put one here. Put it in the wrong spot. There. And here. Then move this hole a little further over. There. Okay, I see this working. They are. Ow. These little gates are very dangerous. They sharp. Matter of fact, I know what I'm going to do. I know what I'm going to do, y'all. We're going to start this all the way over. See, I'm thinking things through as I'm doing it. Critical thinking skills. So I'm going to lean this a little differently. And I'm going to put 3 plants in the front, 3 plants in the back. That's smarter. So then they can definitely vine a little bit better. See, use your critical thinking skills. They kind of gave it to us in school, kind of. But listen, if you listening to that stupid governor, Catherine, whoever the hell she is, I mean, I'm not from the Bronx, but I was highly disrespected by the fact that she thinks that little black kids in the Bronx don't know the word computer. She lucky somebody from the Bronx, a little black child from the Bronx, don't slap her in the face with a damn computer. But that's neither here nor there. All right, so this is hard to do trying to stretch over and stuff, but we're going to make this work. Because we're going to put these plants in the dirt today so that they could be good tomorrow. And I could be making me some salad so I can stop being so damn fat. All right. Very gently. I'm going to get my plant up out of here. Look at that. I'm going to drop her in the hole. Now remember, you got to be gentle with your babies. Don't worry, I'm going to show y'all all the babies once we put them in the ground. Now this is actually 12 plants. Oh look, there's another one actually growing right in this one. Because there were 2 seeds in each little pod. About 2 seeds, I should say. I don't know why I put this back in here. This little seedling. I'm going to try to salvage you, baby. I'm going to try to salvage you. You keep growing now. It's one little seedling. Is this one too? Let's see. No, that's a root. I got excited. Yeah, so just be gentle with your seedlings as you transfer them. Now, so I told my friend, like, oh, my cucumbers, yada, yada, yada. He gonna tell me, don't forget to make pickles. I'm like, bro, I haven't even been successful at freaking growing the cucumber itself. Like, we gonna have to wait on the pickles and all of that. Uh-oh, no. This one isn't so easy to come out. I don't want to mess up the roots. I think I did, but we're gonna try to salvage everybody. We gonna make it work. And if at first you don't succeed, you already know we're gonna try again, right? The other little plants that y'all see in here that's growing right along with the cucumber, this is kale. This is why I needed the little tool that came with the daggone seedling kit, because that would have made it easier. I'm also trying out these, this wireless microphone, so I hope that you guys can hear me. well in this video. I didn't charge it or nothing. Y'all know I don't know how to act. All right. So our cucumbers are in there. I'm gonna leave the rest of this dirt in here for now. Those are my cucumbers. Let's get some more dirt going in here. So that everybody got some good moisturizing soil. Just to show you where we at. Ooh. Put my tool back in my bag. Which way is it supposed to be? This way? Oh, it's supposed to go in between the little things? Oh, that's smart. I don't never put 2 and 2 together and get 4, y'all. I was looking at these little things like, why are these little rubber bands here? Like, look at this bag. It's so cute. You see, I haven't used all my stuff yet, but it definitely comes in handy. So let's move this dirt. And let me show y'all what we working with. So here we go. Don't mind my sniffles. Y'all know when I hang upside down in the springtime, I'm sniffling. So we got our cucumbers in the ground. These are grapevines. This one's from last year. This one's from this year. So last year and this year, they're not gonna fruit no time soon. So we just have wishful thinking for them. Kale is growing pretty good. I have some other plants in the house that I'm still working with, that are still growing. But let me let y'all know about. So this is chocolate mint. And chocolate mint is very invasive, and I didn't know that. So this is actually my neighbor's chocolate mint. But anyway, this is reserved for kale once the kale grows. And look at the strawberries, guys. Strawberries are doing pretty good. With all the new plants budding. Y'all see the little babies coming all up? Those are actually the ones that we just planted this year. These are our return beauties. You see, they trying to fruit. Still a little cold, but they trying to fruit. All right, and last but not least, for now, because you know we still got some planting to do. See how this whole front section, it was clean, but I ain't planting nothing, so yeah. Ooh, somebody was digging in my yard. But this is a blueberry bush. I gotta get something to hold it up because somebody stepped on her. And my rose bush. Ooh, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 roses so far. Oh my gosh. Whew. I gotta go blow my nose. But yeah, guys, we got this. Gardening in the hood. Thank you for joining me. Keep up with me, like, share, subscribe. Comments, where you from? How your garden looking? Whew. Welcome to spring. Catch y'all in the next one.